Today we're going to be opening some Darkness Ablaze. Take 9 cards, I think that's 9. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 packs we're going to be opening today. Of course, we're looking for any of the gold cards, rainbow cards, Charizard Vmax, and I really like a UV. Any of the Crobats. So let's pick a rare pack. What do we reckon has the Vmax Charizard in? Because we've got the Vmax Charizard in this box. I can guarantee it. I can't, but we hope so. Alright, we'll get into it. First pack. Code card's mine. 2, 3, 4. We're going to go with Leaf Energy. Alright. Sinapore. Spikemuth. Scorvet. Spinarak. Larvesta. Hippopotamus. Golett. Flections there. So reverse hollow. Nice. And Pinchan's Chin. Double duel. Nothing major. Nothing amazing. But that's what we got this pack for. Alright, next pack. I really like a UV. That is the card I'm looking for the most in this set. Not even a rare. 3, 4. We'll go with Fairy. Oh, Psychic. Close. Alright, Cape of Toughness. Powerful Energy. Solar Rock. Electrike. Fletching. Mr. Mime. Galarian. Torchic. Oh, we pulled 2 cards. Aron. Skarmory. And what's the rare? A Flygon Normal. I have a feeling we're not going to get any luck today, but we move. There's a Rookity to open the pack 2. Oh, 1 green code card. Lovely. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I didn't even guess the energy, but metal. Lunata. Struggling Gloves. Combustion. Rookity. Wishy Washy. Pansage. Come on. Taurus. Diglett. Kubu. And Corviknight Hollow. That's not too bad. We'll take that. I like it. It's got a little Corviknight taxi from the Sword and Shield game. We like it. Any real good cards we put into the side. Obviously we haven't found any yet. But hey ho, we keep going. We got something in it. I can feel it. Arceus will be kind to us. Another white and green go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to go with Fire. Fire's enemy, Water. Yellhorn. Flaffy. Carvine. Marini. Torchic. Starly. Skarmory. Pansage. Galarian Mr. Mime. Reverse. And the rare is... Oh my days, oh my days. See this? Oh, look at that artwork. And that Cinder Scorch V. Oh. Oh. All the colours. That looks like the rainbow right there. Oh, I'm very happy with that. Not one of the cards we were looking for, but can't go wrong with a V. Alright. Solid green code card. Not what we want. 2, 3, 4. We're going to go with Electric. Dark. Alright. Simisage. Simapore. Corvisquire. Electrike. Fletching. Galarian Mr. Mime, Torchic, and Aron. And last but not least, Leopard and Vanillite. Alright. We're not really getting much apart from the V Tinder Scorch. But we move. Next pack, we've got a solid green code card again. Means no luck for Kobe. 2, 3, 4. And I reckon it is Leaf. Oh, fire. Why didn't I pick fire? Old PC. Ursa Ring. Heat Energy. Skitty. Dino. Jigglypuff. Dunsparce. Clink. What's next? Fletching, reverse. Yeah. And a Lugia. I'll tell you what, we'll put that up there because I really like a Lugia, one of my favourite birds. So he can go up there along with our rares, or our singular rare, because we've only got one. So next artwork is Big Boy Charizard Vmax. This is where we pull him out of the Vmax art pack. Alright. And it's a white and green code card. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I reckon it is Psychic. Oh! It's the pack. This is the pack. We've got a Lunata. We've got a Dartrix. Gloomwood Tangle even. Larvitar. Grimer. Galarian Darmata. Centric. Rowlet. Piers. I'll take Piers. No supporter. You can support me. And what's the rare? Oh no. Oh, it's only a Galarian Slowbro. It will do. I'll take it. Oh. I do like the new art they've done for the Galarian Slowbro. It's got a little hammer fist. I like it. It's better than the old Slowbro. Although he is a classic old Slowbro with it on his tail. Next we have Eternatus artwork. Darkness Ablaze packs. Yes, we can get this. To be fair, we are also looking for the Eternatus cards, either rainbow or normal. V. They are lovely cards, and I would definitely like to put them. But here we go. It's a solid green code card. 4 from the back. 3, 4. Oh, I didn't guess the energy, did I? Oh well, electric, I would have said water. So there you go. Cinesaur. Doug Trio. Rare Fossil. Marini, even. Jesus, I'm butchering these names. Torchic. Starly. Camera's lighting's doing it in. Skarmory. Pansage. Flygon reverse. And what's the rare? Thievul. Nothing special, people. Put them to one side. Okay. Now we're on that last pack. This is the best pack out of the 9 we're opening today. I can already feel it. Maybe not, maybe not. But we move 4 from the back. We're going with Steel. Oh, it's grass. Well, it's leaf even. Alright, let's go. We got a Bird Keeper. We got Steenie. We got Forret. Is that, we're going to say a Forret. Skitty. Nothing special. Dino. I do like Dino. Jigglypuff. Dunsparce. Clank. Snubble, reverse, and what's our rare? Gothita. Well, so all we got in them 9, as you can see here, we got a Cinder Scorch V, a Lugia normal, and a Galarian Slowbro. That is it for part 1. I am going to be opening this whole box, but in 4 parts, just to keep it nice and short and fresh for you guys. Alright, thank you.